This is part 4 of the walkthrough on UnitizerBasic version 4.7.1. And here I'll show you how changing selection mode can save you a great deal of time and tedium. As you can see in this current project, we've already made a couple records. But say now you have run into a section of single images, some applications, or some sort of image that does not span. The selection mode function takes care of that for you. Now you can see under selection mode that the default is multi, and that's what we've been using in this tutorial so far. So we select multi-mode, which is the default, and you can group or unitize more than one record. You select your group, you click Add, and you can watch as a new record is created in your output file, which essentially becomes your DII file in the end. To handle a span of single entries, okay, so what you're going to do is just click on this radio button, that's radio meaning round, where it says single. Okay, so you'll notice some changes. The Add button now tells you what to do. Click File Names. Okay, so you can see here and also here that we left off on ACE7 as our last file name. Okay, so now watch what happens to the output file as I make single selections. So I select 8, all it is a mouse click. You can't click on Add because it's no longer the Add button. And you don't need to, because all you have to do to create single entries in single selection mode is just click on the file name. There you go. It's a great function. So say you've gone through all of the single documents that you're going to mark. All you have to do to change it back is select multi, and the program takes care of the setup. So it points out the last record you were on, and the Add button functionality is returned. So you'll be back to choosing a span, clicking your Add button. If you come across the single here and there, it's not a problem. Just select that and add it. It will take it on as a single. So that's your default mode, because that's really what you're going to do most of the time. But it depends on the industry and what kind of collection of documents you have. So UnitizerBasic, as you can see, is simple. It's easy. Gives you perfectly formatted DII files that will add these project files to your summation database without a problem. So follow me to tutorial 5, which explains more about OCR mode and how summation will configure and view your OCR files. That's very important.